Hey guys, this is Luring Gaming from server 773, and this is gonna be about attacking PoE or Rare Soil War, which is going on in season 2. You can see that we are in war right now, and you can see my opponent or our alliance opponent, which is from 795, and you can see the rewards, skill rewards. These gonna be very good for individual and alliance. So you can see there is a kill or be killed points you're gonna get, and this is round 3. And right now there are stages going on, and we are preparing for battle stage. And you can see the war status in here and go to the war zone which is declared by you. So you can see we have this red target furnace of our opponent, and it's about to start. So it's a preparation stage, so you can check out how much they have garrisoned, and you can see the area around that and do the preparation. So this is a preparation stage right now, and right now I haven't teleported yet. So we're gonna first go and find a nice place for teleport. We have to be nearby that, but as you can see, our target has surrounded by lots of other alliance furnaces, and they using the corner strategy, just like we did last defense. And everyone is around that area. So you can see there are lots of whales and other 30 HQ guys nearby. The stronger ones are surrounding the area, and you can see the blue buildings which gonna be on attacking side, and the reds one are on defending side. So you can see they have surrounded whole area, so there is no place for me right now to land or teleport nearby. So we're gonna get started things now, and let's message in alliance chat, and it's gonna start. So let's go now. Sorry, I mistakenly clicked on that rare soil war, and we are going to the war zone 795, and it has started. So we need to get a good area, nearby area. So let's try to teleport nearby. There are no places to land nearby, so that's one I got nearby, I guess. So as I have teleported here, I'm gonna share my location, so my alliance mates also get teleported to that place nearby. And we gonna launch the official skill for warlord missile. So it's few seconds left, like 50 seconds left for that. So we can scout that, how much they have garrison and other details about the furnace being defended. So I have chosen a low ranking alliance, because we are also low in numbers or low ranking in numbers. We don't have much active players, the alliance in which I am. And the attacks are now starting. So let's send our first squad, and let's continue with second and third. And I'm gonna share the location, so whoever is online will at least try to participate and get those rewards, individual and winning rewards. So as it has started, we can see scout, there is only one guy, so it's not gonna be difficult for us, because I have chosen lower one to attack, so we can get at least full rewards. Okay, I know my alliance will get less rare soil, but it's very safe for low ranking alliance too. So let's see the first impact. So you can see my first squad got the victory, and there's some casualty of the first, only one defending player. So it's all victories for me and alliance, you can see. So it's a totally fit for them, and right now we'll try to collapse the building or destroy the building alliance furnace, so we can get winning points and have those rare soil also. So you can see there are lots of things going on in here, like in gray soil, if you landing, then you can be get attacked, but out of the gray soil area you can't get attacked by enemies or any other uh, alliance mates or any other server mates. So you can see there are lots of people in gray area which is attacking each other and also getting flyed over the place, but we are in safe area, like out of the gray soil. So uh, also there is a blizzard situation going on here, so we need to warm up each other by sending recon planes. So you can see they are about to getting freeze, so we need to also warm up each other to stay in here, or you will not get teleported till the blizzard goes. So meanwhile we are launching all attacks, so that can be done faster, but the distance from my base or our base to those target furnace is longer, so it's taking lots of time. So we're gonna be patient, and we are about to get the rare soil all done, and destroying the alliance furnace is also very nearby. So we're gonna launch all attacks now. My teammates also have come to participate, and we getting things done faster. So it's about to get collapsed right now, so you can see there are only few attacks left and it will be done and we'll get the victory. So you can see it's boom, destroyed, and you can see the message well played, and we got the rare soil, we got the victory. Now going to rare soil war and claiming those individual boxes. You can see there are lots of good rewards like on points, ores, some RSS and other things. You can see the instructions from here, and still there is a no claim option available right now. Maybe there's some glitch or some things like that, but I have uh, get the victory, so I hope I will get those winning rewards later also. So yeah, that's it. So event is over,